Hello dear students. So today again we are back with another topic from object oriented programming. Our today's discussion is centered on the topic empty class. This is often a hugely asked question during the vivas as well as in the university questions. So let us begin. First, we'll see the definition. Empty class is a class which does not contain any data members. However, it can contain the member functions. This simply means that you are defining a class in which you are not going to define or declare the variables, but you may or you may not define the member functions. Such a class would be called as an empty class. And simply, a class without an object will require no space allocated to it. The space is allocated when the class is instantiated. So 1 byte is allocated by the compiler to an object of an empty class for its unique address identification. This simply means that as soon as you create the object of your class, the class gets instantiated and it will capture 1 byte in the memory. Presented here is an example for simply illustrating the empty class. Here you can see that after defining the header file, we have made a class whose name is empty class. We have not defined any data member or any member function in the class area. And under the main function, we are only intending to display the size of empty class. As you can see, we have used a function called as size of. This will return as 1 in the output and will signify 1 as the size of empty class. The 1 would be actually 1 byte allocated to this empty class. There is one more example presented over here. As you can see, under this example, we are creating two separate objects for the class. Once again, the class does not contain any data member or a member function in this example. The objects A and B have been created here. As we have two different objects, so therefore we are going to have two separate addresses for both the objects over here. Whenever we are creating more than one object, so each object will occupy a different address under the memory. So this was the concept of empty class and object oriented programming. I hope you would try to implement the code given here, as I have not presented the output here. Keep learning and stay tuned with us. Have a great day. Bye.